Lecturer, University of Development Studies, Faculty of Agriculture, Food and Consumer Services, Norwood Department of Soil Science, Professor Vincent Avenyo, and our Okasa, here pa, and ye duemu, and you may a here pa, the Cassia, about the Bobremon, so a dear Cotene. Name something to us so near Adom Kasee, Edin Comway.
Futu akwadiyama Ghana de hye nyina se wonhwe na anidie ne obu esefata wonfa ema dotie de akwasibe ni friend se soyo no esanse eye ade baako eka twede amponyankopon abode ho a esombo pa odi kireni mapa ewo University for Development Studies obenfo Vincent Kwadwo Avanyo e de afutu nsem etudwa wo wiase nyina da ponda wode eye nkyerkyere akere mfasode a ewo dotie eho
tie no ade a ehu hie to say aduane a yedi ni nyina no efinetie no na asesa netie no nipa bebre nim say ade a etiase omo hu no say ade a ni mfaso enti dia yempe bia na yehwe eguso netie no ewu a eso ereyare. The soil should be regarded properly as the second most important natural resource that any people have.
Enuachi opanyini kwankyerefo a wono na etua Soil Research Institute of the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research ano Dr. Collins Kobla enso edibi etoso ese obesra de hia wonom etikropon ahodo emu se dani de nyina oto asase na osi won edan a onhwese asase ebeka no onye dwumadie bi ewo so a entietia enetie no fa ahodie eso.
For any healthy city, there must be healthy soils. Because, mind you, soil is fundamental to life. There are people in the third world countries, like Africa, for instance, we do not value soils. So we tend to do all manner of things, on the soil that has a tendency of polluting the soils. If you go to the cities in particular, most of our human activities in the cities tend to prevent the soil from being very healthy in order to, support healthy cities.